What if your smartwatch wasn't just a fitness tracker, but an actual AI-powered assistant that could plan your day, coach you to better health, and even handle tasks like messaging and navigation, all without touching your phone? Well, Samsung just made that happen with the brand new Galaxy Watch 8, the world's first smartwatch to come with Google Gemini built right out of the box. But why does this matter? And is it really the future of wearables? Let's dive in. At the recent Galaxy Unpacked event, Samsung didn't just unveil its latest foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip 7 FE. They also introduced something equally exciting, the Galaxy Watch 8. And while on the surface it might look like a refined version of its predecessor, it's actually marking a big shift in what smartwatches can do. First, let's talk design. The Watch 8 gets a sleeker shape with what Samsung calls a cushion design and dynamic lug bands, which make it lighter, slimmer, and more comfortable to wear. The sensors? They've been upgraded too. A more advanced bioactive sensor promises even more accurate health tracking, and the display now hits an incredible 3,000 nits of brightness, 50% more than before, making it easier to see even in bright sunlight. Under the hood, you're getting a powerful 3nm Exynos W1000 chip, 2GB RAM, and 32GB storage. Solid specs for a wearable. But the real story here isn't just hardware, it's AI. The Galaxy Watch 8 is the first smartwatch to launch with Google Gemini AI pre-installed. This is huge. With Gemini, you can now give natural, conversational commands. Gemini integration also means smarter health features. You're not just getting raw numbers anymore, you're getting guidance. Features like bedtime guidance, running coach, and energy score are powered by Galaxy AI, giving you insights that feel personal, almost like having a digital health coach on your wrist. And here's why this matters. Wearables have always collected data, but AI turns that data into actionable advice. Imagine your watch analyzing your sleep patterns, exercise habits, and even your breathing to create a customized daily plan to keep you performing at your best. This isn't science fiction. It's the next step for smartwatches. Over time, we could see even deeper integration, like AI-generated workout schedules, real-time stress management, or even predictive health alerts. Even the user interface reflects this shift. Samsung's One UI 8 watch now aligns with the software experience of their foldable phones, bringing features like the Now bar to your wrist for quick access to your most important notifications and apps. All of this shows that the Galaxy Watch 8 isn't just another smartwatch. It's the first step toward an AI-driven wearable future. Today, Gemini might be handling your schedules, reminders, and simple messages, but tomorrow, it could be your 24/7 personalized health consultant. If you're excited about what AI can bring to your wrist and want to see more deep dives like this, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to ToPhoneGyan for more tech insights and updates. So, is the Galaxy Watch 8 worth the hype? It's certainly not just an incremental upgrade. It's a glimpse into how AI will change wearables forever. And if this is just the beginning, imagine what future smartwatches could do. In our next video, we'll be exploring Samsung's brand new foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip 7 FE. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.